Get ready with me for my 21st birthday. This is so hard to say goodbye to your teen years and saying hello to your adult years. By the way, I'm thinking about going out on Memorial Day or do something on that day just to spend a holiday, but the only concern is I have a final exam the next day for political science, and it's gonna be too hard to not to be able to study or do well on the final because I want to get good grades. My goal is to achieve a 3.0 or higher GPA, but at least we'll have plans on my birthday. But I'm thinking about inviting my friends. We can get a get together or go out somewhere. I don't know what to do, but I will talk to my parents about that. Also, my goal for my YouTube channel, I'm gonna get 200 subscribers. Once I get it, I'll be able to post singing cover videos that I wanted to do. I seen on TikTok where some creators post their singing cover videos and they were singing songs from artists they listen to or they know of, artists they love. So that's cool though. I wanted to do it as well, but I'm only going to post, if I decided to, once I get 200 subscribers on my main YouTube channel, I want to post singing cover videos on my YouTube channel and Instagram, not on TikTok. Is I don't know, because of getting so much, whatever that is. Also, copyright reasons, my videos may get muted or worse, maybe get shadow banned or taken down or demonetized for the Creator Awards program. And for today's look, you're gonna excuse these sponge applicators because I'm not gonna use it today unless if I want to. But I would like to go with dark red and purple look for my 21st birthday special. So we're gonna go with this color first. This is like a maroon dark red color, which just matches my blouse. So we're gonna do that. Can't wait to make plans for the summer once I'm done with school. So next Tuesday, I have a final exam for political science, so wish me good luck and pray for me that I will get a good grade. Right? I'm not a test taker, don't get me wrong. I was always nervous when it comes to tests, midterms, even finals. I get nervous. By the way, this color looks like a black cherry color, but that's actually cool though. So we're gonna go with this palette, and I'm gonna go with this purple. It's like fuchsia purple. This is the ones I used before. So we're gonna do that. Wait to celebrate my 21st birthday. Because now I'm legally adult. This makeup's gonna slay. But also bittersweet that I'm not a teenager anymore, now I'm considered an adult. I'm gonna take a little bit of this purple color because I don't want to mix it, just to make it matching the color of the blouse that I'm wearing. By the way, this is from Forever 21. I had it since 2025, which is actually cool though. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna take a little bit of purple. I'm gonna slowly press it down so I don't mix the colors together. Do the same thing. Anyways, onto the eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Wicklow eyeliner. This makeup has to stay on so I can take pictures and post it for the social media. I'm gonna do the eyeliner on the waterline. By the way, this is my mom's lipstick, but I'm just gonna borrow it for now until I get a new one because I went to Walmart last weekend and I didn't buy my own mascara. Mom bought hers, but no worries. I'm still gonna keep you posted if I get any mascara. I'm just gonna borrow hers for now because I want my lashes to I want my lashes to go dark. Okay, so I'm gonna do this Pink Promise lipstick from Grwm. And Tropical Coral lipstick from L'Oreal. Okay, keep watching for the outfit and the hair reveal. Okay guys, this is the final look. Looks cute. This top is from Forever 21 like I told you. And if you want to see the full outfit, okay, this is the black sparkling leggings. These are rose gold high heel sandals I bought from the mall. And a ponytail. Oh, especially the side bangs right there. Yay! I like this hairstyle a lot. Sometimes I do it with curly hair, but this is straightened. I just straighten my hair with a flat iron. Looks cute and slay. Okay, so make sure you wish me a happy birthday. My 21st birthday, May 19th, 2026. Alright, so thank you for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you want to see more videos from me, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new content from me. I'm praying I'm going to get 200 subscribers on my main YouTube channel so I can post singing cover videos on YouTube like I seen on TikTok. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so make sure to wish me a happy birthday in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you, besties. Bye.